So first product that we're gonna review is my Corsair case. I mean, this is mind-blowing because it's mine. So let's start with the first episode on this journey, which is regarding the Corsair, I believe 570X. It's an all-glass computer case that I want to show you guys. I'm super excited. I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube. They usually have the black one. I have the white one, the white edition, which is a little bit different. And yeah, I think it's gonna look pretty cool. I'm gonna have plans in the future to obviously update a few things on the case and do a few touches here and there, because that's just how I like to do things. If you guys have any suggestions, again, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to it as soon as I can. Alright guys, the moment that we've all been waiting for, the case. This is something that I've been waiting for. Actually, no, I haven't even been waiting for. Why? Because the reason is I was going to get another case. A cheaper case. And thanks to my family, I was able to get this case here. It was a gift. So, yeah. This is basically the box. It's a pretty big box, as you can see. It's the 570X. It has, let me see. It says here it has the RGB fans included, and we'll see if it's included or not. So let's get ready to start unboxing this. Alright, so let's see what's inside the box. Oh boy. Anticipation is killing me. Let's see. Let's put this to the side. Oh. Not much to see. It's just packaging stuff. That was not my intention. Alright, I just want to see this already. Oh my god! What? Is this the front? Yeah. Ooh, yeah. How does that look? This is the bottom part. I just noticed this. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it so you can start. Look at that case. Oh my goodness. Alright. Struggling a little bit, but there we go. Alright guys. You want the front? You want sideways? What do you want? Let me know. Because I'm over here, I want to be in the front right now to look at this. So we're going to do two things. We're going to do it from the front and then to the side. Alright, so let's start from the front. I'm not even going to look at this side by side. What you think? Looks good? Alright, let's try sideways now. We want to do a second review. Sideways. Let me see this. Man, I'm pretty sure the camera's not doing any justice right now, but alright, let me see if I can get this together. I'm nervous right now, I'm nervous. Alright, so let's turn this around and have you look at it from this side. Oh my god. Oh. I'm not even gonna take the wrapper off, obviously, until I'm done with the build. But my goodness, fire. Oh my goodness. Super excited. So what do I see? Basically a regular case, all glass, and right on the top you have some of the buttons. So we got power button and lighting control, as well as USB and headphone, head jack, and microphone. Then, don't worry, I'll show you guys. I guess we have some hard drive mounts, SSD mounts, and then on the side, on the back, for the power supply, exhaust fan, which I don't see one, but there's 3 RGB fans in the front, and man, this is nice.
Aside from my soul.